Hello, uh, we're looking at TMUA 2016 paper 2 and this is question 12. So it says the first term of an arithmetic sequence is A and the common difference is D. So we're talking about sequences, they're using the usual notation, and it says the sum of the first n terms is denoted by Sn. And then it talks about S8 being at least three times the size of S6, and what can be deduced about the sign of A and the sign of D. And then we've got some multi-choice answers, which we will come to as to whether they're positive or negative. Okay, so we're talking about the sums of sequences. So we need to recall the formula for the sum of sequences. Which is, and you need to keep this to memory, the sum of the first n terms is n over 2, brackets, 2 times the first term plus n minus 1 times the difference, close the brackets. So we can write down for S8, is the first thing we need to know about. S8 equals 8 over 2, brackets, 2a plus n minus 1 is 7d, and S6 equals 6 over 2, brackets, 2a plus 6 minus 1 is 5d. So those are our two expressions, and we can say that if we simplify and use the inequality, we've got 8 over 2, which is 4, brackets, 2a plus 7d, and that's going to be greater than 3 lots of this. So that's 6 over 2 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9, brackets, 2a plus 5d. Well, let's expand the brackets and see where this takes us. 8a plus 28d is greater than 18a plus 45d. Let's take everything over to one side to start with. Let's take it all to that side. So we end up with 0 is greater than 18 minus 8 is 10a plus 45 minus 28 is 17d. Just double check that. 28, 38, 45. That's it. So we can say that if we just rearrange slightly, take that. So we say 10a, leaving that where it is. So that's less than minus 17d. Finally, if we just want it in terms of a is less than minus 17d over 10. Right, so we've got an expression now for a in terms of d. However, in the question, it doesn't tell us whether a or d is positive or negative. So if a is positive, d will be negative. If d is positive, a will be negative. But we don't know any further information at all, as far as I can see. So the choices for the answer are both a and d are negative. Well, we can't say that. A is positive, D is negative. We can't say that. A is negative, D is positive. We don't have enough information for that. A is negative, but the sign of D cannot be deduced. There's no reason why that will be true. Vice versa that way. So the only thing I can think here is that neither the sign of A nor the sign of D can be deduced. So that's the answer, F.